Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Persistent Trading. A big sell-off in the market with 500 points gap up and 1600 points intraday fall is definitely shocking for many traders. All the banking stocks fell more than 3% on an average except ICICI Bank. So from yesterday's closing level, we can see that there was a 1000 points fall in the banking index. And out of these 1000 points, HDFC and SBI, these two stocks itself dragged nearly 600 plus points on the index. On the other side, ICICI Bank contributed positively like almost like 200 points to the index. In case if this was also performing bad, then we would have seen deeper correction in the index. Now if we look at the technicals, on the higher time frame 1 week, we know that market has given a break of structure here. After the break of structure, we need a pullback and then internal change of character to the upside, which should support our overall swing structure, which is bullish here. Then we can target the previous swing high. Now if you go to on daily basis, we have identified clearly the market has shifted its direction to the downside here, right? After this change of character, we know that it has created a supply at this level, and from this supply level market has crashed, and today again market pulled back and then gave a break of structure on the downside. That means our supply was here earlier and now the new supply has formed here. Now it is the new supply is somewhere close to 46,000 to 46,500 level. So even if market comes tomorrow or day after tomorrow to this level, first thing is we need to keep in mind that there is a daily resistance at this level. So our daily is still bearish. So there is no change in our daily bias as well. Now if you go to lower time frame, yesterday we were thinking that there was enough space for the market to move higher in case if it closes above this swing high, because it was forming a range bound formation in the past 3 days. If a candle is closed above the swing high, then all these stop losses will be taken out. Then we can expect some kind of momentum to the upside. That is what yesterday we were expecting. But what happened was market actually took all the stop losses. Probably many people got their stop losses got hit, and then eventually market did close below this level. That means that the overall bearish structure still continuing. It has not given any opportunity to take a long trade. Okay, so this is what we can see in the 1 hour time frame, and today it has actually closed below the previous swing low. That means 1 hour also turned bearish. So the now weekly time frame is in the pullback mode, the daily time frame is in the bearish mode, 1 hour time frame is in the bearish mode. Now let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. So yesterday we were discussing that in case if the candle is closed above this previous swing high, let us wait for the pullback and then we look for the change of character to the upside, which will support our overall bullish structure in the 15-minute time frame. Then we can target towards 47,000, 46,900. So this is the level we were expecting market to go higher in case if we see that change of character to the upside. But market did not give the change of character. Not only at this level, anywhere you see it's a continuous fall. There was no change of character to the upside, right? So there is no opportunity for you to take a long trade in the 15-minute time frame. And yesterday we have also discussed another point. In case if we want to turn bearish, first thing is we need a candle to be closed below this level, because this is the place where market has taken the support and went higher, right? This is exactly the place where on Saturday there was a resistance. After this bullish candle formation, exactly it came to that level at 3 o'clock and then it went higher, and from this level market closed below this level. That means it has formed a change of character on the 15-minute time frame. So this is the first sign that market is actually turning bearish in the 15-minute time frame. Until this level, even if you take a short trade within this particular frame, it will be aggressive trade, because we know that in the 15-minute time frame the first candle closed above this previous swing high. That means now the direction in the 15-minute time frame actually turned bullish. Now what you need, once you see that a bullish structure has formed, you need a pullback and a change of character. So ideally you will be waiting for the pullback. That is correct. Till here you will be waiting for the pullback. If you have seen the change of character, then yes, it would have been a good trade on the long side. But market did not form that kind of structure. So instead market closed here, and you have the confirmation only at this level because the market closed below this previous swing. So yesterday, what we discussed was, in case if the candle is closed below, you can take a short trade and target this swing low around close to 45,500 and 45,400 level. So here you would have got somewhere close to 300 to 400 points. So that is all, probably, we could have got on intraday basis only upon the confirmation. Even if you see in the 5-minute time frame, after closing of this level, the market tried to go up in the next 10-15 minutes. It did not happen. Finally, it closed below the previous swing low, indicating that market turned bearish. And also by looking at this structure of the bearish formation, we can take a trade here, keep the stop loss above the swing high. That's how we can trade, because you know the trend is bearish and you have taken the bearish position, and tomorrow, in case in the 5-minute time frame, if it needs to reverse, the break of structure happened here, that means your 5-minute resistance level is at here. So you need a closing above this resistance zone to convert to bullish in the 5-minute time frame. But you also need to keep in mind that it has closed below this previous swing low, and that is near 45,500 level. So only by looking at a candle closing above this previous swing high does not give you confidence to take a long trade, because there is immediate resistance. So you should be careful about 45,500, 46,000, 46,500. So these kind of levels you should always be careful. As of now, the overall 5-minute turned bearish, 15-minute turned bearish, 1 hour is bearish, daily is also bearish. So you do not have any reason to go a long trade tomorrow. What you can do is, you patiently wait for the pullback. Either it forms a change of character here. For example, you need to wait for the pullback. If it forms a change of character here, you can take a short trade and target this swing low. Okay, in case if it opens the gap down, you will apply the same scenario. You need a pullback to the higher side, and now your resistance will form here, because the market is closing here, right, in the 5-minute time frame. So your resistance will be here. You need a change of character here. So in case if it opens gap up significantly, and then if it closes above this 45,500 level also, then you will change your direction. Instead of bearish, probably you can look at the bullish trade by confirming the change of character, at least one swing high to be taken out. Then you can look for a bullish trade here, and then keep the stop loss below the previous swing low. So this is how you can trade on the Bank Nifty. Now what about Nifty index? So let us look at the daily time frame. You know that all this market was in bullish mode. We have discussed last week about the Nifty, that it has not closed below this previous swing low. Only after a candle is closed, we can confirm that Nifty turned internally bearish. Although the overall structure is still bullish, internally it has converted to bearish. That means we are expecting a pullback to the downside. Whenever it converts to bullish on the internal side, then that particular bullish formation is aligned with our larger structure, then we can go long. So this is the confirmation that we have got today, that the market internally turned bearish. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty index are in the bearish mode, right? Hope you understood the logic. Please do subscribe to our channel. We will continue to discuss our trade plan on daily basis. You can also subscribe to our Telegram channel given in the link. Thank you for watching. We will connect tomorrow.